Following that Unity Day celebration, hundreds of local students put MLK's message into action. NBC 24's Sophia Periconi joined them as they spent the morning putting together cold weather kits for children in need.
For the first time ever, students from across Toledo are using their day off as a day on to help Children's Services.
I need St. Ursula basketball team to make some noise!
Nearly a dozen high schools came together at Savage Arena at the University of Toledo following the annual Unity Day celebration to pack cold weather kits for children in the foster care system.
We have kids coming into care all the time, and some of those kids just have absolutely nothing. These cold weather kits kind of complete that picture for them to get through the rest of the winter.
The students and some special guests.
Any pen?
Yes.
Okay, a hat?
Turned assembly lines stacked with donated socks, scarves, hats, and coats into over 200 duffel bags stocked with winter gear.
We kind of don't think about those who don't have these things and how that may affect them in a way. Just because these are small things to us, these are major things to them.
Even though all of the students had a day off in honor of Martin Luther King Jr., they honored his mission by having a day on.
And like this, I know it's going to make somebody's day in the end, so it's totally worth it for me.
Once the duffels were all packed up, they were brought to Lucas County Children's Services, where even more student volunteers were waiting.
Load everything onto a van, take it right downtown to Children's Services, where another crew will be waiting of high school students to unload, sort, and set everything up for the caseworkers to come in and get them tomorrow morning when they return to work.
Although not a single one of the students was alive when MLK was at work, his message lives on in them over 50 years later.
And the part that we're very proud of, which we know he would be, is the fact that we have a call to action, that we're actually doing something with our hands to help change somebody else's life.
Even though this is the first time they're doing this in honor of Martin Luther King Jr. Day, they said it definitely won't be the last. Reporting in Toledo, Sophia Periconi, NBC 24 News.
Caseworkers will be hand delivering those cold weather kits to kids in the foster system later this week.